2018 Suzuki GSX S750 and GSX S750Z. Like all vehicle manufacturers interested in tapping the lucrative European market, Suzuki had to update its entire line of models to comply with Euro 4 emissions and sound regulations. That included fitting the GSX S750 with a more efficient catalytic converter in its muffler, and recalibrating its induction system for a cleaner burning engine. Suzuki addressed both ends of the equation, fitting the GSX S750 based engine, derived from the 2005 model, with new 10-hole fuel injector nozzles that permit finer atomization of the incoming fuel mixture prior to combustion. A catalytic converter system similar to what's on the GSX S1000 was applied to the 750's muffler and, voila! The GSX S750 not only became Euro 4 compliant but also legal in California. The new muffler is lighter than the previous canister, too. Engineers also reconfigured the engine's airbox that now draws air from 3 inlet points. Turns out the new design is a music box of sorts. According to company spokesman, the updated airbox echoes some of the engine noise, in a friendly and exhilarating way, back to the rider, especially during acceleration. Music to the ears, they tell us. We'll see, hear for ourselves when we get a 2017 GSX S750 for testing. The updated engine also has a series of vent holes at the base of the cylinder cases, which Suzuki says reduce oil pumping within the crankcase for less drag. Since acceleration is always a priority among performance-minded naked bike owners, the S750's final drive gearing was shortened for quicker response at the rear wheel. Further assisting snappy launches is a 3-mode traction control system modulated via switches on the left handlebar. There's also Suzuki's Easy Start system. A single push of the starter button is all it takes to fire up the engine, and low RPM assist. Fuel metering is automatically regulated to prevent the engine from stalling at low speed, in the mix, all in the interest of making the ride more enjoyable for the GSX S750 rider. New 17-inch diameter, 10-spoke wheels are wrapped with Bridgestone rubber, and 4 piston calipers bite onto 310mm pedal-type brake rotors. ABS is standard on the Z model. Suspension includes the gold anodized KIB 41mm inverted fork up front with 4.7 inches of travel and spring preload adjustment. The rear shock has 5.4 inches of travel and 7-way preload adjustability. These days most sporty naked bikes check in with full digital instrument displays, and the GSX S750 is no different. A very stylish LED display is posted on the tapered handlebar, and a small, angular nose fairing sets the styling tone for the rest of the bike, right down to the aggressive-looking aluminum foot pegs that look like refugees from the GSX-R ranks. Available as early release 2018 models, the GSX S750 will be offered in 2 versions, a standard model and a S750Z model with ABS and matte black paint. Pricing is TBD, and both should be in Suzuki showrooms starting in March. That includes all Suzuki showrooms in the California, too. It's time to get naked in the Golden State.